Yeah, I think there's a number of challenges that enterprises are facing when it comes to actually getting these things deployed. And a kind of big proponent of that is actually changing the way or the mentality that they have when it comes to getting things out in the wild. To really benefit from agents, I think you've got to adopt a kind of prototyping mindset. You've got to get yourself into a position where you're willing to kind of try and iterate extremely quickly to be able to determine how valuable is this thing anyway. Because I think there's this huge rush to go and adopt the technology, and we've heard all the great stories and the success stories. But in the same vein, it's got to be directed at the right use case. It's got to be directed at something that is ultimately going to have a genuine business impact. And I think what a lot of organizations are finding, and in our findings, over 40%, that takes numerous sources, that takes numerous places to be able to gather data from and ideally act on to have that impact.
Right.
And so from an organizational perspective, you've now got, the entire company kind of staring at you in IT saying, hey, we've all got these ideas. There's all these things that we want to be able to go and do. How do we get them into production quickly? How do we start to see the benefits of them? But in the same vein, well, in order for us to do that, how do we go and interconnect all these different data sources? How do we actually capture what's going on in the business and then critically act on it?